In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now scroll down to tap on those icons next to those sections on the left. Thanks to it, you will see all available themes. Now you need to tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you're ready, hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to get rid of this theme, you can go back to the same settings, tap on it at the top and select the bin icon at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and your theme will automatically be switched to one of those default ones. But now my favorite part. You can always launch your keyboard and click on the same icon of a color palette, this time to tap on plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. And this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. To edit it or get rid of it, go back to the same settings. Tap on it here and to make any changes, use pen icon at the top. Then change whatever you want to and hit save. But remember to select Apply. To get rid of your keyboard, you can do it exactly the same as you would one of those previous ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!